Alright, today we are going over and unboxing the Aneng socket circuit analyzer. We received this from the company and we're going to be doing an honest review on it in regards to its abilities to, well, analyze circuits and test for 120 voltage. And it also tests for DC voltage. Unboxing is easy. We already took it out of the package and put batteries in it too. One of its best features is that it has a beautiful display on it. All right, so with the circuit analyzer, whenever you plug it in, it shows on this nice little display that if it's correct, it will show correct on here. It will show, or if there's something wrong, like in this case, the line and ground are reversed. We have these outlets bugged specifically for these kinds of scenarios. So it does show you and tell you what is incorrect about the circuit, which is a great feature to have. Now moving on to the side where we test voltage with, is this little end that looks like a screwdriver. You push that into an outlet. Well, first you go to voltage test. You push the little end into an outlet, and on either side, there are little prongs where you have to complete the circuit. You push that in, and it tests its voltage for you. Here it says 107 volts. One thing we have noticed is that it does give off a little bit different voltage than other equipment. Like we have these kilowatt meters that we've used for years, saying that it's 116, almost 117 volts, and that is almost 10 volts difference, and which can throw you off on your readings. Another feature this has, besides testing AC voltage and doing the circuit analyzer, is it can also test DC voltage. So on a battery, like this 9 volt, you select the DC voltage, complete the circuit, touch a negative, and it reads out 9.3 volts. So that's another nice feature to have for, just testing. You can test any battery with it. Besides, I wouldn't test a car battery with it, obviously, but for your household batteries, it works just fine. Outside of that, the product seems to be pretty good. It does take 2 AAA batteries, and it does power off by itself after you've let it sit for a little while. So outside of that, I think the product is it's pretty nice. I don't think it's for everybody. I wouldn't test voltage with it on an appliance, which as you know, we are an appliance company. So if you're just testing an outlet in a customer's house, I think it'd be great.